Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
I'm going to teach you how to draw Vampirina my way. First you start with a face, like this. It's like a box, but then it turns like this. And then you just do big cheeks, like that. And then we're going to do the eyes next. So, this is one eye. This is the other eye. See what I'm doing? All I'm doing is doing this. Then I just do that. See what I'm doing? I'm doing the eyelids inside now. Eyelids. See? And then I'm going to do nostrils like this. You do 2 circles. And a mouth, you do an oval shape. Then you do teeth like that. Do a box, like a box shape. And then you do the Vampirina like this. Do the hair. You do 2 round circles. Then you round it up like this. And then you do your hair like this. You might need a bigger piece for this, but I only got little pieces right now. But anyway, this is how you do it. And you see I'm doing like that. See that? Doing it like this, see? Then the body. So you do a neck. Then you do that over around it. And then you do this. Like that. See, that's a skirt. So you do cross, 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 cross. And then you do like that in the neck. And then you're going to do some arms. You know how to do arms, I'm telling you. But if you don't, look at my drawing. See what I'm doing? All I'm doing is this. And then I can make feet like that, and I can do boots. Then I do like that, and like that, and like that, and like that. Crosses all around. Okay, and then you do this part like this. Like there and there. Then you do crosses again, around there and there. And then you do some shoelaces, shoelace. There. And there we go. And then we just do the bracelet with Vampirina has on. I don't know how to do a skull shape, that's all. So I'm going to do it like this. This is how you do it. Wait, if you want some details, all you do is this. See? That's all you do. Then if you want to do some other details, you can do like a mountain to cross over, or like a big mountain to cross over, or another big mountain to cross over. But it's up to you how you want it. Then if you want, you can put like a sun there too. Bye!
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye!